Today I'm going to show you how we can create this easy flashlight effect in Premiere Pro.
Kwa maana ya kufungua hospitali hii, kama mjuavyo, hospitali hii ni msaada kutoka kwa marafiki wetu wa Russia.
First step, create a black screen, then import and drop your Photoshop image with no background. Because I wanted to create a motion movement from this image, I had to separate the hand and the head from the main image. For the hand to move, we had to go to the effects control and keyframe rotation. For me, I changed the value from 0 to -2. Then I moved few steps or few seconds ahead and changed it to 6. Duplicate the keyframes selected by selecting them and holding Alt to create them again. After it will create this cool hand movement. For the head to move, we go to the head video layer, then we select the effects control and create keyframes in position. On the x-axis, we moved a few seconds ahead and we reduced it to less than 13 figures, and a new keyframe will be created. Duplicate the keyframe again by holding Alt to create a head movement pattern. After this, select all the video layers and nest them. Then we go to the rectangle tool, select and draw it where you want the camera flashlight to appear. Go to effects control and scale it down and move it to where you want it, because by reducing it or scale it down, it moves away from the scene. After it, search for alpha glow in the effects panel and drop it to your rectangle video layer that you have created. Go to the effects control panel and keyframe the alpha glow and reduce it to 0 and move ahead some seconds, and you can increase the value to 67. Duplicate what you have created by holding Alt again and place it some second forward to your time frame. You can go and download the camera shutter sound effect to make it more lively. For me, I had one year I had downloaded it. Duplicate the sound effect sound and place it on each of the camera scene you have created. After it, you'll be able to create this awesome camera effect scene and some animation on your photo.
Kwa maana ya kufungua hospitali hii, kama mjuavyo, hospitali hii ni msaada kutoka kwa marafiki wetu wa Russia.